Button.
Yes. Yeah. Good evening, all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right? Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you. So in the last class, just I was briefing you about this defining variables. Defining variables, right? What happens internally when we define some variables, right? So just case one, right? Yes. Case one, if I say like x equal to 10, internally one object is going to get created with value 10 with some address, right? The address is given to x. Or we define some variables like x as 10, right? X as 10. Okay. One object created with value 10 with some address, right? Yes. Print x, it goes to this address and print this value, right? That is 10. If you want to print ID of x, type of x is what value you assigned to x. Based on the value assigned, the variables are created. Case 2. Whenever I say like x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Try to answer, right? How many objects will be created, right? X is 10, y is 20. How many objects are created?
2.
2 objects, right? For 10, 1 object. For 21 object, 2 objects. This address is given to x, y equal 20. This is given to y. X and y. This is given to x, this is given to y. 2 different variables with 2 different values, then 2 different objects with 2 different addresses. Now, case 3. X is 10, y is 10. Then how many objects here? If the contents are same, how many objects? Only one object, right? And the same address is given to x and y. X and y share the same content and the address. Case 4. X is 10 and x is 20. Whenever you define that, for 10 one object, for 21 object, right? It's 2 different addresses, right? If I say print x, it always prints 20. Print x means always prints. X is 10, x is 20. Print x means always it prints the latest value. Previous one is going to get removed, right? Yes. Okay. This is what the 4 cases what we have discussed in the last class. Right. Data types. Data types are of 2 types. Data types are of 2 types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types and collection. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Object to holding a single value. Fundamental data types nothing but object to holding single value. Example like x equal to 10. X equal to 10 means one object is going to get created with value 10 with some address. Okay. Object holding a single value. What is this? Object holding single value. This what? Okay. Collection data type means like object holding a group of values. Object to holding group of values. Object holding single value, object holding group of values. Object holding single value and object holding group of values. For holding group of values means like x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So for this also an object will be created. An object is going to be created. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Ten to 50, right? Yes, it's going to occupy some address. The address is given to X. Object holding single value, object holding group of values. Fundamental data types are of 5 types. Fundamental data types are of 5 types. Integer, float, Boolean, string, complex. Integer, float, Boolean, string, complex. Integer, right? Age 25. Float like height 6.1, right? Height 6.1. Boolean means something is true or false. True or false. String like city Hyderabad, right? complex 3 plus 4j, right? Yes, 3 plus 4j. Three plus 4j, right? Yes, 5 times. And collection types, 4 types. 4 types of collections, right? Yes. First, list, tuple, set, dictionary. List represented using square bracket. Python provides simple syntaxes, right? List using square bracket, tuple using normal braces, set by using curly braces, and dictionary by using key and value format, right? Key and value, right? Yes. List means example like x equal to y equal to tuple of values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And set of values 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Curly braces set, normal square bracket list, and normal braces it is tuple. And dictionary key and value means, for example, name Ajay. Key value. This is key, this is value. Age 25. This is key, this is value. Key value notations, right? Key value pairs, right? List tuple sets and dictionaries. List by using square bracket, tuple using by normal braces, set and dictionary. Key value pairs. Okay. Key value pairs, right? Yes. Now, in the first, I'll discussing about fundamental types, integer, float, boolean, but I got a lot of discussion on string indexing, string functions, string methods, string special characters, string slicing, right? I got a lot of discussions. Okay. They won't, the frozen set bytes, they won't come as a separate data type, right? Okay, I can say all this range, all this, they comes as, okay. The mainly we have got 5 types. Mainly we got 5 types. They all are secondary, right? Okay, fine. And now, like, observe this, like more discussion on string, right? String indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters, like this. String. A string is a string, right? A string is a sequence collection of characters. Observe, a string is a sequence collection of characters. It's a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented, right? In Python, a string is represented, right? Using, right? Single quote, double quote, a string is represented using single quote in this way, right? Double quote, it is represented using double quote. Triple quote, using single quote, using double quote, using triple quote, right? Each character of a string, right? Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Right? Yes. String supports two types of indexes. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index two types of forward index or positive index, right? A positive index. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Index starts with 0. Backward index or negative index. Backward index or negative index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts from left to right. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with 0. Index starts with -1. Okay, just observe this diagram like this. X equal to Python within double quotes, whatever you provide, it says string Python, right? For Python also one object is going to get created. Python. Python, right? Python. It's going to have some address. The address is given to X. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward index or positive index. Starts from left side to right side. Starts from left to right. Index starts with right. 0 left to right. Index starts with 0. And this negative index -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is backward index or negative index. Backward index or negative index. Forward index are positive, backward index are negative index. What is the X is the string, right? What is the value of X of 2, right? What is the value of X of 2? Everyone try to answer, right?
T.
T, right? Yes. What is the value of X of minus 2?
O.
O, right? Yes. X of 2 is T, X of minus 2 is O. So, yes, understood, right? Yes. So, this
Yeah,
is
I have
what,
a question here. Like, why do we use backward index when we have forward index?
yes, good query. Fine. So, why we need already we got forward index or positive index? Why again negative index or backward index is required? Because if you got a very big string of more than 100 characters, right? I want to print the last character by using positive index. Try to say anyone. More than 100 characters are there, a string. I want to print the last character. I want to print the last character, right?
Yeah, x of -1.
That is negative index, right? Using positive index, it is complex, right?
Mhm.
So if you want the last character, right, X of -1 gives the right. So, okay, you can go with a positive or negative index. Python supports both. String supports both positive and negative indexes, right? So single line comments start with hash symbol. Multi-line comments, you can start with triple quote and end with triple quote. These are not executable, right? The multi-line comment, start with triple and end with triple quote. X equal to Python, Python, right? X equal to Python. Print X, prints that end, print string Python. Type of X is what type? Type. Type means what you are trying to assign to X. String str type, right? Yes. Right, yes. What type? String type. What it is? String type, right? Type of X is string. Print len of X. Print len of X, right? What is the length of X? Length of X is 6, right? Yes. Okay. Len of X, 1 second. Run module. Check this. Run module. Type of X is what type? String. Len of X is 6. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming, right? Print X plus Y. Print X plus Y. What is that? Python plus programming. You are getting Python programming. Python plus programming. Python programming, right? Yes. Run module. Python, right? I want space between this. Python and programming. I want space between, like 3 strings you can add. 3 strings. One is X is Python, Y is programming. Between those 2 space. Run module. Python space programming. Python space programming, right? It's Python programming, right?
Sir,
Okay.
the string we can write in a single quote or not? It is a double quote.
Yes, single quote or double quote, both can be used for single line, right? For multiple lines, right? If you got multiple lines, right, you need to go for triple quote. For multiple lines, like 5 lines, 10 lines for a paragraph, you need to go for triple quote. But single line or a word, right, we can go with single or double. Anything is fine. Next is like string slicing. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. For example, x equal to Python program. If I'm taking like x equal to Python program. X equal to Python program. So here extract only Python. Extract only Python from this.
Print 0 to 5.
Yes, x equal to Python, y equal to programming. Okay. Extract only Python from this, right? Extract only Python from this. Right. Print. Is my voice clear to all?
Yes.
X of. Try to answer x of Python, right? Python. Here, Python in this Python program, extract only Python from this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I need to say? 0 to 6. 0 to 6, right? Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to give 0 to 6 because always the upper bound will be excluded. Always the upper bound will be excluded.
What does it mean? Upper bound will be excluded mean?
Okay, just observe here. This is 0 means lower bound. This 6 means upper bound. See, we need to start from this lower bound to upper bound. Means if you are giving 6, 6 will be excluded. Up to 5 only we consider. Actually 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We need to give 5 only. Actually, we are supposed to give 5.
Okay.
Okay. We need to give 5 only. But if I give 5, 5 will be excluded. 5 will be excluded, right? Yes. Up to 4 only it will consider. For you, up to 4 only means you won't get this n. So I need to give 6. If even though the 6 is excluded, up to 5 means Python you will get. Observe this. S run. So I need to use no 0 to n plus 1. 0 to n plus 1. 0 to n plus 1 we need to give, right? Because always the last 6 is excluded. N plus 1 will be excluded. Up to 5 only it will consider. So Python you will get. Now based on this, try to answer the remaining, right? Try to extract the middle portion of the string. Extract the middle portion of the string, right? Extract PROG, middle portion of the string, right? Yes.
Seven to 11. Print 7 to 11.
Yes. X of 7 to 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want, 7 to 11, right? 7 to 11. Yes. Understood, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even that blank also is going to take index, right? 6. Start with 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 I need to give. 11 excluded up to 10 it will consider, like PROG you get, right? Yes.
When it is having new line or triple quote, will it be the same way?
What is that?
If a
Yeah.
string contains new line or triple quote.
Yes, yes. The same way, right? Each and every character is going to occupy one index, the same thing. X of 11 to 7. X of 11 to 7, right? If I give in the opposite way, 7 to 11 means, okay, PROG. If I give 11 to 7, opposite way, 11 to 7, in this way, what is the output? So observe here, it gives empty string, right? Empty string. Because always slicing. Because always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in backward, right? 11 to 7 means backward, right? Backward, if you go always, it gives negative empty string. Always slicing should be in the forward direction. If you go in the backward, see you got one empty string, right? Yes. Always slicing in the forward direction. Extract PROG using negative index, you say now. Everyone try to answer. What is that? Extract PROG using negative index.
So -7 to -4.
Right to say x of
-7 to -4.
-1 you want. So sorry, -1
minus 4 to -7.
-4 to -7 means you are going in the backward, right? Backward direction, empty string you will get. -7 to right. -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. So -3 I need to give. -3 excluded up to -4 it will consider, right? -4 it will consider. Right? PROG, you will get what? PROG.
If there is a double space between the words,
Two indexes it is going to take.
okay.
You take 2 indexes, right? Now try to answer for this, right? Extract the entire word program, right? PROGRAM program. Extract the entire word program now. Print x of, try to say x of positive index. You say me using positive index, everyone, right?
7 to 14.
7 to 14.
Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 only available. 14 index is not available. 14th index is not available, right? Yes. But can I take 14? Yes. Because 14 is excluded, not included, right? So up to 13 only we consider 7 to 13, right? Or you can say like print x of 7 to, don't provide this upper bound up to the end of the string, it is going to read 7 to up to the end of the string, it is going to read. Run module. Both returns the same, right? 7 to up to the end of the string. So if you're not giving the upper bound, by default, it is up to the end of the string. Yes, 1 second.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
If he'll do, sir, why show me that why it is coming black screen?
1 second. Now 14 index not available, up to 13 will consider 7 to, if you're not giving the upper bound by default, It reads up to the end of the string.
Yes, sir. Suppose I will write. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Suppose I will write print
Hmm,
x blank space is to 14.
Okay. Hmm,
It will print to first to last.
First to last, yes, it is going to print first to last.
Okay. And if I'll give x dash is to dash.
Okay, now you want, okay, I'm coming to that examples, right? Now, first, before that, try to answer, if I want to give this lower bound, is it valid? First, if I want to give the lower bound, is it valid?
Yes.
sir.
Why it will be valid? Why not it will valid?
So this 6 excluded, right? 6 excluded up to 5 it will consider. It will, if lower bound is not provided, right, it will go from the start of the string to 6. 6 excluded up to 5 it will take, right? Understanding. So if lower bound is not given, it will start from the start of the string to that given 6 up to 5 it will take, right? Same, similar to this, both are same, right? This and this results the same. This and this results the same, right? Yes. As you said, print x of what is this output? Yes, everyone try to answer. What is the output you get?
The same as
Sir,
Entire,
entire program, sir.
entire
Python
string.
program.
Yes, Python program. Okay. Now, what if I ignore both the lower and upper bounds? I'm ignoring both lower and upper bounds, right? In this way, print x of I'm not giving this lower bound and I'm not giving this upper bound. What is the output you get?
Python program.
Error.
Lower bound, if you're not giving, it reads from the start. Upper bound, if you're not giving, up to the end of the string, it reads. So the entire string will be printed. Entire string is, yes.
And if you give, like, won't it be confused negative index and positive if you don't give anything?
So if you're not providing, by default, if lower bound not given means it will start from the start index. If upper bound not given, up to the end index, it will read.
so it is equivalent to print x.
Yeah, it's similar to print x.
Sir,
So-
excuse me, sir. If I'll write
Okay, I'll come back 1 second. Is it compulsory to use spaces here?
I don't know.
Without spaces, will it work?
Will it work now?
Yes. All these 3 statements results the same. All these 4 statements results the same.
Yes, yes.
With this or this or this or even this last 5 statements results the same.
Okay.
X of 0 colon, don't give this upper. Last 5 statements results the same, right? Entire string. Yes, you're asking some query.
Sir. Suppose I will write print x 18 to 20. What will give?
8 colon
18. 18 is to 20.
empty
Type
string.
error.
Empty string.
Error.
Empty string it gives.
It will say empty string.
Hmm.
18 is to 20.
1 second. Here I'll give one thing. Print x of 7 to 30 I'm giving.
It will see what will give. It will show it.
Same thing. These 2 results the same output. What is
It
that?
will print program, sir.
Program. It will print. This program.
Program. Why?
It's not
7 to 13.
7 to 14. If,
0, 1,
means,
2,
if
3,
you
4,
give 14, if you give, or if you give 13, up
same.
to available index only it will take.
Okay.
Up to available index only 13 only, right? Up to 13 only it takes.
Sir, if you just write 18 to 30.
8 to 30 means
Then 18. 18 is to 30.
print x of 18 to
30.
30. Run module. Empty string I said, right?
Empty string will come. Okay.
Empty
So it is not showing the garbage value of the memory, na?
No garbage values here in Python.
Okay.
Compulsory, you are supposed to assign some value. Then
To the
only
to the memory. Okay.
if you are assigning a integer value, integer variable creates. If you're assigning a float value, float variable gets created. If you assign string value, string variable creates. Compulsory, you need to assign. If you're not assigning, what type of variable should be created, right?
Hmm.
Okay, fine, right? Understood. Yes. What happens if you print what? Why we end on 14 if last character is removed? What happens if you print 7 to 15? 7 to 15 also, 7 to 20 or 7 to 30, whatever you print. Yes, Erica. 7 to 15 or 7 to 20 or 7 to 30, whatever you print, it will print Python only. That is sorry, program only, right?
Yes, sir.
And next observe this. Can I take a combination of positive and negative index like this? Minus 7 to 11, is it valid? Negative and positive
No.
index combination. Yes or no?
Valid, sir.
No.
Valid?
Yes, sir.
For example, minus 7 means this side. 11 means this arc. Minus 7 to 11 means going in forward direction only, right?
It will print, sir. It will print.
P or OG will be printed. P
Okay.
or OG is the minus 7 is P, 11 is what? P or OG is going to be printed, right? Fine. Next, what is if I say like print x of 0 to 14 to what is that? First one is start value. First one is what start value. Second is like stop value. Third is step value. Step means increment by. So what are the indexes? What are the indexes, right?
Take 0 to 4, 6 until 14.
Even values, sir. Even values.
Only even values 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 0 means P, T, O, space, R, G, A. Only even values. This one. Even indexes. Okay, for example, same if you say what is that x of colon 2, what is the output for this? What is the output
Same,
for
sir.
this? Same, right? Same previous output only, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing, sir.
Yes. For example, yes, see this both prints the same output. Run module, right? Yes. Same output. What is the output you get if I print, right? Print the x of colon minus 1, right? Minus 1 means it reverses the string. It reverses the string. It prints the string in reverse order. So you'll get in this way. PYTHON PROGRAM reverses the string, right? It reverses the string. Observe this. Next, for example, have you heard about the word palindrome? What is that? If we reverse a string, right? -4 to 3, is it valid? Means -4 to 3. -4 to 3, you are going in backward direction, right? It prints empty string. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Right? If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Example of palindrome, right? Anyone?
Mom, MOM.
Madam, right? MADAM. If we reverse also, you'll get the same.
Yes, sir.
Malayalam. If you just reverse also, you'll get the same thing, right? Or the add.
Katak.
Mom, what is that?
Katak.
KATAK. Yes. Okay, if you reverse also, we need to get the same string. For example, x equal to MADAM, right? Print x, okay, you'll get a madam, it will print madam. And x of colon -1, just now, if we reverse also, if I'll store this output in y. Print y also, it is going to print a madam only, right? Print y, it is going to print a madam. Both are going to print madam. MADAM. Right, and file, new file. String methods we have got. We no need to write huge codings here. We have got string methods. Just I'll take 5-10 minutes more. String methods. First one, upper. To print in uppercase. To print x equal to, if we take a string Hyderabad, right? Yes. Print Hyderabad in uppercase, x dot upper. That's it. Printing Hyderabad.
It will print in capital letters.
Run module. Hyderabad in uppercase.
Sir, upper is a function, sir.
Method. String methods. String has got many methods. We'll be discussing one by one method, right? Functions and methods are different. In Python, we've got both functions and methods. I'll just discuss. We have got separate discussion on that. Lower. To print in lowercase. To print in lowercase. X equal to Mumbai. Print x dot lower, right? Yes. Mumbai in lowercase. Run module. Next, for example, observe this third. X equal to India is there. India, right? I want only the first character, I only in uppercase. Remaining all in the lower cases, right? Only the first character, I only in the uppercase. Only the first character, I only in the uppercase. Remaining all in the lower cases. How to do? Print x dot capitalize, x dot capitalize, right? Run module. Capitalized means only the first character I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases.
Not capitalizing, so only first letter will be in the capital.
Only the first character only will be in the capitals. What is capitalized method? Right. It capitalizes the first character of a string. It capitalizes the first character of a string. For example, x equal to good evening, Hyderabad. So for example, I got how many words here? 3 words. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase I want. Each and every word, first character I want in uppercase. X dot title, that's it. We have one more method called title. Now check it. G in uppercase, E in uppercase, and H in uppercase, right? Yes. G in uppercase, E in uppercase, H in uppercase, right?
I have a question on the third scenario. If you use x of 0 and dot upper, will it capitalize only I?
X of 0 dot upper means only that particular character only will be printed.
Okay.
Only the particular character I only gets printed, right? Not the entire word. You can do that. X of 0 dot upper plus you need to slice the remaining. It's time taking. Instead of that, go for capitalize. Here title, it is capitalizing the first character of every word. Good evening, Hyderabad. Next, we have got a method like swap case. Swap case converts one case to another case. Converts one case to another. X equal to, for example, same. Good evening, Hyderabad. If it is in lower case, converts to upper case. If it is in upper case, converts to lower case. We're just going to swap the cases. Swap case. Good evening, Hyderabad. Next, a replace. We have got a method called replace. For replacing a portion of string. Replacing a portion of a string. For example, x equal to, I'm saying like Java is easy. Print x dot replace the word Java with Python. X dot replace the word Java with, what is output you get? Python is easy, right? Yes, check this. You'll get Python is easy, right? So in this way, not only this upper, see we have got upper, lower, capitalized, title. Title is what? It capitalizes the first character of each word. It capitalizes the first character of each word in a string. It capitalizes the first character of each word in a string. It capitalizes the first character of each word. Okay. Okay. Run module. Good evening, Hyderabad. Good evening. Python is 86, right? Okay. So in this way, we have got many more methods, not only this upper, lower, capitalize, title, swap case, replace, count method, format method, find method, strip method, join method, starts with, ends with. In this way, we many more methods, string methods are there, right? We'll be discussing all those in brief. Not only like string methods, we have got string functions, we have got string special characters. So tomorrow also our discussion will be on strings, right? String methods and string functions, string special characters, right? But tomorrow the link is going to be changed, right? So everyone need to get enrolled, right? To get the new link, your mail IDs, right? Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, please please make a WhatsApp group and please send the link to your WhatsApp group.
So you'll be getting the link to your mail ID. Check your mail, right? If you're either in inbox or in spam folder, sometimes for some of you you will be getting in the spam folder, right? Or any other, right?
WhatsApp group you can create so that it will be-
Tomorrow the WhatsApp group will be created. I won't be forwarding the link. The online team will be forwarding the link and videos, all those. So WhatsApp group I'll be creating tomorrow, right?
Okay, okay.
So if you're not see for that other details, right? You can just their contact details are given, right? You can just contact them. If anyone have not got the link, other things, right? The total payment process procedures. Don't forget to send the screenshot of your payment to this DurgaSoft online training. They have provided for mail ID, right? To send the screenshot of your payment receipt.
Or we have to send the screenshot to email ID, right?
Yes, compulsory. You need to forward the screenshot of your payment receipt, right?
Okay, sir.
Then only you'll be getting the mail, right? That is linked. So there to the mail ID that is given, you need to forward your screenshot of your payment, right? For any other further details, you have got the contact details of the online team is provided, right? You can contact, right? So for you'll be getting from tomorrow onwards, daily basis, you'll be getting the video, soft copy of the notes, right? Yes. So for Python, it is 5,000 for total full stack Python. For Python, Django, UI, all these things, it is 10,000, right? Yes. Fine. So you can see that previous demo videos link is given and that course content links are given. You can check it in the chat, right? Fine. So tomorrow we'll continue with these strings. Right, more discussion on the string. So these are interactive live sessions. You will be interacting with me. What will be the expected output? You can ask queries then and there itself. No need to wait. So once the WhatsApp group is created, even if you are working somewhere, right? If you got error, you can take the snap of it and you can post it, right? It's fine. So I'm signing off for now. Meet you tomorrow, same time at 7 p.m. Right? Fine. Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow.
Thank you.